Hello, yo Fanny, I got another drawing for you. I got this drawing for you, but I'm gonna put it my tablet somewhere so I can do the video. I'm gonna wait. No. So here. So here's the drawing I got for you. It says my drawing for your many anime right here. It's the red thing is a little thing that goes well. I made them purple because I have purple on my video. And here's the idea. So I hope this gets uploaded. And I want to see you. If this gets uploaded, and tell me to do the voice, I'll make a video and you can upload it, okay? Bye.